Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm going to open up my Instagram account. Then from over here, you're going to tap on your chat icon on top right corner. Then tap on this little pencil icon, and now you're supposed to find that little create broadcast channel above the create a group chat option. Now for that, once you tap on the option, you're gonna tap on name your channel, add in the new name of yours for your channel. Then you can tap on choose your audience. You can check out and choose your audience. Then you can decide if you want to show your channel on your profile or not. Then you can tap create broadcast channel, and then you can choose to send your first messages as well. Now, the things that you have to is that you must have a public creator account to create broadcast channel. Personal and business account does not have that facility yet. Second thing is you must have more than 10,000 followers to create a broadcast channel. If you do not, then you won't be able to. That way you will be able to make yourself a broadcast channel like I mentioned. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys